with Canon, we have a complete solution. With this facility and what we're doing here, I think it creates this amazing symbiotic relationship.
When they buy a Canon product that is very well built, it's going to be of the highest quality and it's efficient.
We'll actually come to our customer site and do a full audit of what goes on and make sure that the employees are wearing the proper PPE.
The year before we opened our first restaurant, and we're talking 33 years ago here, I went to my first National Restaurant Association show here in Chicago.
This whole fight, this journey thing is not a solo venture.
There's no doubt in my mind, I'm going to win this battle.
V is for victory over cancer. V is for victory over the odds.
Together, we'll continue to lead the way and pioneer vision care. UC Davis Eye Center.
For CTA and PACE. Venture is convenient and simple. Gone are the days of carrying multiple cards and excess cash.
The Appleseed family has a long and proud heritage of being some of the finest apple pickers in history. 1996, the Himalayas.
Tune in to the Polish Cooking Show on WTTW.
Today I'm going to introduce you to the preparation of items for the new Hyatt Place all-day gallery menu and Hyatt House H-Bar menu. Consistent with our approach to guest experience innovation, we are introducing a new retail menu.
They were part of Russia, so threatened embargo, even threatened military action.
So dedicated to ophthalmology.
Not only do we have great alumni that I meet.
She was still the best volleyball player in the city of Chicago.
As I was trying to get to know the people in the eye center.
With clients 24/7.
Obviously, being a great athlete, you're going to be one of the bigger names.
You set your strategic goals, and it continually suggests the best tactic.
A delicious fresh meal within our time limit. This week's main course, pierogies.
That ball hit hard!
And I serve my kingdom. Yet in attack, I am the lion uncaged. We who serve our king do not stand alone.
Because Ronald McDonald House Charities helps families stay close to their sick children.
Komatsu Press Division has led the industry with technological innovation.
USAA, we know what it means to serve.